Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths Online Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this chapter, we have to discuss mainly three topics. One is conversion of measures. How to convert degree measure into radian measure and how to convert radian measure into degree measure. Listen, the formula is degree measure equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. Radian measure equal to pi by 180 into degree measures. Okay. For example, suppose we have a question. Negative 47 degree 30 minutes convert to radian measure. So to convert radian measure, first we have to translate or change minute into degree. So this is 47 degree. 30 minutes is same as 30 by 60 degree. So this is minus 47 degree 1 by 2 degree, or whole together we can write minus 47 1 by 2 degree. This is a mixed fraction, so this can be written as minus 47 into 2 plus 1. So it is 94 plus 1, that is 95 by 2 degree. Now convert this degree measure into radian by multiplying with pi by 180. Now this becomes a radian measure. Now here we can write 95 pi by 2 into 180 as on cancelling 5. Cancelling 5, negative 95 is negative 19 pi by 2 into 36 radian measure, or this can be written as negative 19 pi by 72 radian measure. Okay. Now second topic in the chapter is sign of trigonometric ratios in respective quadrants. So in a plane there are 4 quadrants, we know well. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant sine and its reciprocal is positive and all other are negative. In third quadrant tan and cot is positive and the remaining are negative. Last quadrant, in fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. All the 4 remaining ratios are negative. Okay. And the last topic is trigonometry identities. Listen children, in the chapter we can see a lot of formulae or identities. So you have to by heart all the identities and write and study the exercise 3.3. Okay. Next is complex numbers and quadratic equation. Listen children, in this chapter first we have to note down what is the general form of a complex number. We already know the general form is a plus ib. A is the real part and b is the imaginary part. So you have to study well how to write imaginary part as well as real part of a complex number. Also we have to learn how to find modulus of a complex number, conjugate of a complex number, and also how to find multiplicative inverse of any given number. And later we seen that the operations defined on complex numbers, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply as well as how to divide any two given complex numbers. So these are the basic or main things study in the chapter complex numbers and quadratic equations. Okay. And finally we have one more topic, quadratic equation. How to solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. In the chapter linear inequalities, there are 2 sections we need to study. One is linear inequalities in one variable and linear inequalities in two variables. Listen, in this section, linear inequalities in one variable, we have to study how to solve linear inequalities in one variable and how to represent on number line, how to represent the solutions on number line. And in the case of linear inequalities in two variables or system of linear inequalities, we need to know how to find the solutions by graphical method. Okay. So in the xy plane, you have to draw x-axis and y-axis and find the equation of lines representing the system of linear inequalities and find the feasible region. Feasible region means solution region, and shade the region, and from the shaded region you have to write down the solutions of the required system of linear inequalities. So stick on the topic system of linear inequalities and its graphical representation. This is very important. So write and study or practice well how to draw the graph of system of linear inequalities. Okay, these are the main things about the 3 chapters for your forthcoming examination. So study well. Wish you all the best. Thank you all.